Today we're going to install 4.5-inch HP Plus mufflers on this Milwaukee 8. Step 1, remove the bags. So the next step, using a 15mm, we're going to loosen this exhaust clamp here on the inside. Next step, 1/2-inch wrench on the back end of the muffler. So the next step, you're going to have to apply some pressure down, wiggle this thing, shimmy, and off it comes. We're going to repeat the same steps on the left-hand side. What you can use to kind of help you out on both sides, use some penetrating oil to help get that rust broke up and everything on those mufflers. Now we're going to install our 4.5-inch HP Plus muffler. First thing you want to do, take your muffler clamp. This nut side is going to go to the inside and it's going to go facing down. Slide that muffler on. I like to get it so the heat shield is covering up where the muffler condenses down. On the rear end, you have a lock washer. Please make sure that goes first. You might have to pull the muffler out towards you. We're going to repeat the same process for this left-hand side, but just a little side note. On the heat shield on this side, I loosened it up. That's going to prevent scratching your muffler and prevent scratching that one. Now, everybody wants cosmetically their mufflers in the back to look the same. This is a little trick we do. We just stick our finger in there, make sure they're the same. You can use a micrometer, however you want to do that measurement. Just make sure they're the same. And then on the back end, you might have to twist these out so they're in the same spot as well, because they will camber in or camber out. Good. On this axle nut, if you have 13-inch shocks or you have an air ride system and it's already hitting the muffler, you can rotate your muffler out. If you have air ride, you need to adjust your air ride and just know you can't have that thing maxed out. The next step, I like to tighten the back end down first. On both sides. Check my clearances one more time. Make sure they haven't moved. They haven't. Taking your 15, you can tighten your clamp down. Once you've made that adjustment, come back to this heat shield you loosened up, fit it so it sits in the correct spot and it looks like it's all parallel, and then close that down. Last step you want to do, wipe all your fingerprints off. You don't want those getting burnt to that nice chrome. Last step, we're going to put the bags back on. Place the bags on the rail. After you're done with your installation, you're gonna wanna fire the bike up, admire the sound and the quality. Just be advised, there's gonna be a little bit of smoke, there's gonna be a little bit of a smell. You're breaking those mufflers in, so don't be alarmed.